everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back to share a haul with you guys. It's going to be some autumn bits and Halloween trick-or-treating bits. I thought I might share those with you. I picked them up recently and I thought it might give you guys some ideas on stuff to give trick-or-treaters and stuff. So at first I'm going to share what I picked up from the range. So they've got all their fall collections in and Halloween collections. I went for mostly fall this time. I did get one paper pad that was Halloween. But yeah, I got these. I picked up the paper pad. So if I share the paper pad first, which I think that they are going to go to. So this is the paper pad I picked up from the range. I want to say there were $3.99, there could be $4.99, but they're 12 by 12. This one's got the teddy bears in like a pumpkin. I thought they were really cute. They did have a load of different ones, but the only one I liked was this one. So you've got like pumpkin pie and like a hot chocolate there. You've got those ones, more pumpkins. It's got a lot of pumpkins in it. You've got bows. I just really liked it. And then you've got those pumpkins, and then you've got this one with a teddy bear and like the hot chocolate. So yeah, so like I said, I think you get 2 of each one. So I thought that was really cute. And then obviously to go with that, I got, these are foam stickers. So you've got like gold leaves in there. You've got these leaves. You get the teddy bears in there. Foxes, a deer. I think there's a hedgehog behind there. Trying to see what else you get. I think that's a fox, more leaves. Yeah, I think there's, it says they were $1.99. Doesn't actually say how many you get, but quite a lot in there. So I got those, and also I got a couple of these. Well, I got 3 actually. 3 of these stickers. Again, you got the teddy bear with the pumpkin. Thought that was really cute. And you can also put these like, I may put these through my laminator and then make these into charms. But yeah, so you get the same sort of things, the deer, the teddy bears, and like I said, I think you only get one. Oh, these are transfer stickers. Oh wow, I didn't even realise. That's even better. Oh, okay, change of plan. I didn't even realise. I just thought, I saw these, I thought they're stickers. They're not, the transfer. So I think I'm going to use these to make my own glass like tumbler thingy. Get some plain ones. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. These are even better. I wish I got some more now, because these would be great for gifts. Oh, I didn't even realise that. So yeah, so I might go back, because they did have other ones, but I just got these. So I wonder if the other ones were transfers or just stickers. Oh, so yeah, these are transfers, guys. So if you're looking for transfers, like you can put on mugs, glasses, that sort of thing. So that's going to be really cool to try. So yeah, so I got those, and then the last paper pad, I went for this Halloween one. They had a couple of different Halloween ones, but I think I already have those in my stash. But I don't think I have this one. I think this is new this year. 12 by 12, and I presume you get 2 of each design. So you got this pumpkin, love the ghosts, and then this one, really like that one. They didn't have any stickers to this, which I'm a bit sad about, but hopefully they might get some in, especially if they start getting ghost stickers and like the bows. But I have got a few dies I can use and stamps I can use with this. You got this one, the bats and the bows, and that's that one. I thought it was really cute. The last couple of bits, I think this is from the range. So obviously picked up one of these for the barbecue. Yeah, they're just so handy just to use on the barbecue. Obviously not craft related, but picked that up. And then I've seen everyone use these to make these into albums. These were, they had loads of different sizes in these. I got the A4. They had bigger and a lot smaller. You get 10 in a pack for $6.99. I thought that was really good. So you get those colours that side, and then you get the pastels as well. So I thought that was really good for that. Yeah, I've seen loads of people fold them in half and then make them into albums. So I thought I'd give that a go. Maybe some Halloween and autumn ones. So that's that. I then popped into Costco, and they've got their started getting their Christmas things in. They've got a lot of autumn Halloween-y things, but they have started getting some Christmas decorations, things like that. I didn't pick up much Christmas, to be honest. I just picked up these. I thought these were really good. So they had loads of different ones, loads of different designs. You get 50 yards on, I think, on each one. Yeah, 50 yards on each one. So this is going to last me a long time. I picked up this dog one. I thought that was really cute. In like a hot chocolate mug or coffee mug, whatever you want to do it. And I just thought I've got quite a few coffee dies, and I might pick up another one. There's a stamp set that I've seen that's really nice. That might go well with this. I can make tags with it as well. And I just thought this would be quite nice with some craft paper or plain red or green wrapping paper this year, and I might use that on some presents. So like I said, the 50 yards, I think these were like they're either $6.99 or $7.99. I'm not 100% sure. And then this one I just got this green, yeah, it's like just a green with a gold on the end. Again, I thought it was really pretty. And again, you get 50 yards of that one. So yeah, so I got those for Christmas. Then, like I said, for trick or treat, I just picked up a few bits this week to put to one side. So they had these big cauldron, like pumpkins. This was, if I find out the price, guys, I will leave it on the screen. I can't remember how much this, no, I can't remember off the top of my head, but I will try and, like I said, leave the prices on the screen. It comes with a load of different sweets in there. It says, I think they're peelers in there. And I just thought this was quite nice to stand at the door and hand out on Halloween. So it comes with obviously a load of sweets. And then, so I got those, and then my kids love these, but these are another idea that you could, you know, fill this up with these. They had those in there. They had loads of different sweets in there, to be honest. But yeah, they got those. And obviously, if you don't want to go for a sweet and you want to do, like, they've got loads of these things in Costco as well. That you can also hand out if people aren't allowed sweets and or the like chocolates and things. And then these are like one of my favorites, so I've picked up one of those as well. I'm not sure about handing these out because they're not in wrappers, but you know, you could make some sweet what's that, like pick a mixes, if you do that sort of thing, and you could put a couple of those in there. But yeah, that's all I have to share with you. I picked up a load of other bits, like food bits, but obviously not really craft related. Yeah, I don't think I picked anything else up that wasn't other than food, like I said. But yeah, I can't wait till they get all their Christmassy bits in. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Have an awesome week, guys. Bye.